Good morning, guys. In the last session, we discussed the new requirement of our application, implementing notification service. So Purna completed that work on that. So Purna, please share your screen and show me what you have done in this.
Yes,
Yeah, I gave you co-host. Could you please share the screen and explain?
yeah. So I just inserted some dummy values like this. So I
Yeah.
prepared some insert queries like this.
Okay, you inserted some dummy records into table. Okay.
And first let me run the code, how it is working.
Uh,
So to run, I used command line runner. This is
okay.
first time running send payment reminder that one.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's coming like this. This is the name placeholder and
Mhm.
this is the order tracking number.
Okay.
All is still not yet confirmed. Can you do the payment and another product like some
Yeah.
template and you created?
Okay. So
Okay.
you sent a message in the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah.
Next.
Delivery notification.
Yeah. So like when the order getting delivered, your order is got delivered
Hmm.
and or this is the order tracking number has been delivered successfully.
Okay. Good.
To go to the Gmail, this is the invoice, this is the means, subject and
Mhm.
this is the invoice. Alignment not looking so good.
Yeah, that's fine, sir. PDF we are able to generate.
Shipping address, image, billing address, and these are the dynamic values.
Okay. What are the products they have ordered?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. How you integrated WhatsApp?
So I created Vati account.
Okay.
So it is
Template.
as
Okay. Trial account you created in the Wati.
yeah, trial account I created for 7 days free trial.
Yes, correct.
And it's asking a business mobile number.
Okay. Okay.
I have given my father mobile number.
Okay.
And because if I am asking, if I want to use my mobile number, it is asking to change some settings, something. So I
Oh,
thought my mobile WhatsApp something will stop. So I used my father mobile number.
okay. Good. 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 So can you explain code walkthrough for the people?
Yeah, fine.
Go ahead. Explain the code walkthrough. So from the starting onwards, what are the dependencies you added? What you created? You explain the code walkthrough for the people.
So the dependency I added like um, model mapper and PDF works I tried first, but later I am using this one iText PDF. Even this one also working. Just one sample test application I did, and I am using this one iText PDF, and for mail this is the jar, and for what no jars required. Okay, for that Spring Starter web is enough. Next, as you said, you need to do this job batch means like every day 7 a.m. daily. So I used this cron concept. So first I'm getting all the order delivery means all find the order by delivery date as today. So I created a method one in repository find order by delivery date. So I'm getting the list of orders based on the delivery date. Next, if orders is not empty, I'm iterating all the orders one by one and I'm generating one PDF report. I'm going through this method. So I'm passing here order ID. So from the order ID, I'm getting the order object. If order ID is there in our database, then I'm preparing one name for the PDF file. So based on the order tracking number, like I'm following one convention like, so this is my PDF local directory slash PDF file name. File name is nothing but I have given like some file name start with invoice hyphen order tracking number. Okay. Next. So this is the PDF writer that get instance of document object I created here for the PDF. Next, I'm opening this document, adding the logo here. The logo I created in my local directory, I have kept, and this is the image setting for the PDF document. Next, this is the document title. So I created one paragraph here. I'm giving one empty space after the paragraph. Like I'm creating one again paragraph with some empty data. Now I'm like so. This is the heading invoice. Next, like this is the string system generated invoice. After that, I'm adding that customer info. So here customer name, mobile number, email. In the second paragraph, I'm adding the billing address, and here address, city, street and city, state, zip code. And the third paragraph, shipping address. Next, order info. So here order tracking number and order create date. So here I'm creating the table for the required columns as for this invoice. I'm creating based on the property values. I'm creating the columns names. I will show the property how it is. Yeah, these are the properties I have used. Like column names will be like this dynamic, and this is my local directory where I can store the PDF files, and this is the file name format. Like this based on this property, I'm creating this PDF files. So I'm creating table for the this five columns where I'm preparing all the items here. From order, I'm getting the all the items and iterating all the items. I'm preparing each row. Then after total price calculated here, I'm rounding into two decimal points. And after this file name is generated, I am setting that file name into our order table, set invoice equal to file name. This is required because when we need to send to that file to the email, that file name I need. So I am saving that file name into our database. and then footer something. This is not just one simple line. Then document I'm closing, and all this at this time this PDF document is ready. Now, so by that time PDF document is ready, then I need to send that PDF to my email, to the customer email. So this is the bean class I created, like recipient, message body, subject, and attachment. So I used builder pattern here using Lumbo. I created this email details object, and this is the subject, mail subject, and this is the mail body. And this is the code for sending email. Yeah, it's a file system resource, and I'm getting this file name from my actually from the database I stored initially. I'm getting that file name, and this is the code already we have done for normal message. This is just like file attachment message. That's a simple one, and I added additionally this one. Once mail is sent, then flow will come here. Then coming to the WhatsApp service send delivery notification. So this template URL, and I configured into all these details I configured in my properties file. Template name and the payment. This is the notification template name. This is the payment reminder template name, and this is URL, and this is my token. So I prepare the API URL here, appending with the WhatsApp number. The number is the customer mobile number. Then I prepared WATI parameters. The WATI parameters contains name and value. In the template, instead the placeholder will be like this. So this is my first parameter. This is my second parameter. So I'm preparing all the parameters here like this. This is the name parameter, and this is my second parameter, order number. The order number will come from order ID. Then WATI request, template name, broker's name, and parameters. And this is my header, and the take token generated from the WATI account I need to pass here. And I'm calling post for entity. This is a post request. And WATI response, this is my response getting from the WATI. I'm just some dummy response, like I'm setting the name and what are the dynamic values are there. I'm just setting to my WATI response class. Next, this is code is same, just template is different. Send payment reminder. That is the code actually I have written. Yeah, anything, any doubt?
Yeah, good job, Purna. How much time it took for you to complete this?
I came from my office around at 7:30. So I started this work at 9 o'clock till 1 o'clock I worked.
Okay, so almost 3 hours you spent on this.
Yes.
Good job. So guys, here he implemented a notification service in our application. It is a backend API. In this notification service, mainly we have WhatsApp integration, email integration, and PDF generation. So if you want to send WhatsApp message from the application, then directly it is not possible. We need to create business account in the WhatsApp, that is Wati platform. We need to use Wati platform to send the WhatsApp messages through programmatically. When you create Wati account, it will be available 7 days free trial. After that, yearly 35,000 license we have to pay. And for each message also, WhatsApp will charge 50 paisa. 7 days free trial is available. So he created free trial account in the Wati. Once you create the free trial account, then they will give you that Wati token, bearer token, JWT token they will provide. Using that token, you can send the request to the Wati API. You need to create a template in the Wati. By using the template, we can send a message. He has implemented that logic here. Then email integration, Java mail sending API is available. By using that, we can send the email. For the PDF generation, he created a invoice, the PDF. What is the dependency you added, Purna, for the PDF?
I text PDF.
Yeah, I text PDF API. Go to the pom.xml. Yeah. Yes, he added iText API. By using this iText API, he generated the PDF for the invoice. So generally, when the customer order is delivered, we will send the order invoice to the customer in the email. So that is existing functionality in every e-commerce application. In the same way, we are also sending this. Now, how you are scheduling these batches? So this is basically a batch job. How do you schedule them? Yeah,
Yeah,
Spring
in the
scheduling
con
concept is
using the
available.
corn expression.
Yeah, it's a cron expression. So if you run this application in a server, as part of this cron expression, at the rate schedule annotation is available. So he has given the schedule 7. That means every day morning at 7 a.m. automatically it is going to execute. Automatically at 7 a.m. this method is going to execute. It will find out the records which are available for the delivery today, and it will send the messages to the customers. And one more method is available which is going to execute every day at 9 p.m. It is going to get all the orders which are not confirmed yesterday, the orders created yesterday which are not confirmed. For them, we are going to send a WhatsApp message. So good job, Purna. Excellent. You have done a very great work.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. So what is your feeling now? First time you implemented Wati API. So in previously in your experience, did you get the chance to do this task?
Yeah, no, first time I worked for the Vati means related service and even PDF also I worked first time.
Okay, so first time you implemented PDF generation and WhatsApp integration with the application. So what is your feeling now? How do you feel this?
Yeah, so initially yesterday when you asked me to do, I thought maybe I have office work and back to back office calls are there. How can I do complete the job?
Huh.
Initially I get a little nervous, but as you said, I thought okay, I will try. So I tried from school mind after 9 p.m. So one by one, just I followed the step,
Okay.
but finally I achieved. So I'm feeling good.
Yeah, how you came to know this WhatsApp integration? What the parameters? What the template? Did you get the chance to watch my video?
Yeah, I watched your video for some time. Then
Okay.
I created a Vati account. After created that, there I saw all the means API names, how to call, what are the parameters required.
Yeah, documentation they have given.
Yeah, documentation there I saw. I tested one dummy. They have like Swagger API. We can
Correct.
test it. There also we can test. So I have created one template. They accepted after 10 minutes.
Mhm.
So after that, I sent one dummy message to my mobile number. It is working. So I just followed the document.
Very good, sir. Good job. So people, uh, do you have any questions to Purna? Purna completed the task. Anybody having any questions, any clarifications required, you can talk to the Purna. He will clarify your doubts now. Anybody having any questions to Purna? Guys, come on. No questions?
Sir, in the
Sir,
real time, most of the time we do the text message, right, sir? WhatsApp, do we do real time in real application, sir?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, text messages, nobody is reading, sir. That's why people are sending WhatsApp messages. Earlier, we used to send the text messages,
Right,
but nowadays, people are not using the text messages. So we are using WhatsApp messages.
right, sir, right, sir. Yeah. So we have other platform also, right, sir? Like other than WhatsApp, there are other medias also. I mean, can we integrate with those social medias also?
I did not get you.
So other than WhatsApp, there are no, there are other platforms also coming up in the market, right, sir? Similar to WhatsApp.
What are
Uh,
the platforms?
but I think with phone only WhatsApp is there, I think, right? I don't know, like Telegram and all these things are there as well, right? Those are all different again.
No, Telegram integration, the Telegram APIs are not available.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Got it. Got it.
sir, I just have one few questions. The thing is, now he has written a code like it is iterating through the in the table it is reiterating and it is sending the like notifications for individually, right? But
Correct.
like in real time, there will be large amount, right? We have to parallelly process them. If in during the iteration if there is an error, then I think the loop itself will fail, right? So I think we should integrate batch processing along with this logic, I think.
Correct, sir. We need to implement the batch processing. We need to implement multi-threading here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will explain multi-threading scenario. Yes, good job. Next one. Purna, can you please push your code to Git repository and could you please give me your Git repository URL? Remove these WhatsApp tokens and all and push your code to the Git repository.
Okay.
Remove your token for the WhatsApp integration. People may misuse that.
Yes, sir. So I will push my code to my own
You,
local repository.
you push to your own Git repository and give me that. Then I will keep it in my account. I will share with the people in the group.
Okay, sir. I will share the link to you.
Yeah, so remove that token and
Yes, sir.
send that repository in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right. Good, guys. Fine. Now, with this, we are able to understand what is notification service implementation in our application. So with this, majority of our application functionality got completed, guys. So we are able to complete the project, e-commerce project, the skeleton. So most of the functionalities we are able to complete in the e-commerce application. So let me go to the project architecture. Yeah. So this is what we have done so far. Notifications API is the last API that we have implemented now. The notifications API is used to send the notifications to the customers regarding their orders and regarding their order delivery, regarding the payment reminders. We are using this notifications API. Okay, so this is our project. Fine. Now, anybody having any questions on this application? Now, anybody having any questions on this application?
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, I couldn't find your second video of WhatsApp business integration.
Yeah, actually one class only conducted, second class was not conducted for that.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can you do that front end side public? Can you get a GitHub repository?
I will make it public now. Yes, it is public. Guys, front-end repository is public now. All of you clone this repository. I'm giving this repository URL in the chat box. Whoever is not implemented this, you can clone this repository. So you clone it immediately. Again, I will make this as a private. I send repository in the chat box. Clone this repository. I will make it as private again. Yeah, good. So we have 5 APIs in the backend: product API, order API, customer API, admin API, and a notifications API. And in the front end, we have several functionalities. I think in the last session, I have sent the list of functionalities that we have in our application. Yesterday, I have sent the message in the group. Yesterday, I have sent a message in the group. Product functionality and product category functionality is available, and cart functionality is available, and we do have checkout functionality available, and customer functionality is available. Customer functionality is available. Cart functionality, checkout functionality, customer functionality, and admin functionality. Did anybody work on browser refresh issue, guys?
Yes.
Kannan or some other guy, Deshmukh, Gopal?
Yes,
Did you work on the browser refresh issue?
yeah, it has been fixed now. Okay, so I checked in the code also in the front end functionality.
Browser refresh we handled?
Yes, Ashok. It is done now.
Okay, good job. Can you share the screen and show that?
Yes, Ashok. I am sharing the screen.
Okay.
Can you enable to
Yeah.
share?
1 minute. Perfect. I'm giving you co-host.
So I checked in the code now. I have one small issue on checking. I will discuss once it is done. Okay. So this is the page, right? Okay. Now what you're doing, you are adding to the cart.
Mhm.
Now cart it is there. Okay. I'm going to refresh.
Hmm.
Still cart is there. Okay.
Okay.
But
Good.
again, if you want to remove something, I'm removing.
Yes.
Okay. So still two things are there.
Correct. Good
I'm
job.
removing everything. Okay. This one. Now I am logging in. Okay. And it's going to the admin page now. We are it's navigating to admin. I didn't go into the functionality, dashboard, everything. Now I'm doing refresh. You should not log in. You should log out only the screen.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. I am still refreshing everything. Now I'm logging out. It's coming to the main page. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm logging in. 1 minute. This was going to my mail ID. So it is the navbar is showing here still again. So I can do now, I can do browse everything, but it will be log out. Again, if you want log out, it will be log out now. So
Okay.
this is the change.
Yeah. What is the change you have done to retain the cart functionality as it is?
You want yes, sure.
Guys, browser refresh issue also fixed now.
Yeah, now actually what the change I did is this is the login. So here directly we will call the login details either to log in or log out. So from here, it will take to the login component. Okay. So here, so basically how we can implement this, we have to go with the database, the caching data, or we have to go with Redis cache data, or we can go with the in-memory. So I'm
Okay.
using the local storage. So once we add to the cart and we are login or log out, the data will be stored in the local storage. Once we
Okay.
refresh the browser, the data
Hmm.
will go again. It'll take from the local storage. So
Okay.
in the login component, 1 minute. Yeah, once I log in, I'm creating a token here, 2 tokens value. Okay, so where I'm taking is, if I using the token, just log in, it go to login service. In login service, I'm storing the local storage. I'm setting this is the local inbuilt Angular functionality. I'm storing this token and the user, what kind of user. Okay, either it is an admin, sorry, 1 minute. Yes, I'm going to this login functionality. I'm storing everything in the storage. Okay, either if it is, so either 1 minute, some noise begin. So either it is an admin user or normal user, it will store the local storage. Then we can, I think, storing the session here. Then I'm reloading it. So this is how I'm handling. Okay. So again, in cart service, if you see, uh, cart service, yes, in the card service, once we're navigating, we're thing local in this one, we are making the local storage data.
Save cart. So whenever the items are added to the cart, you are calling a method called save cart method, and which is
Yes,
storing
yes,
the cart items to the local storage.
local storage. So yeah, so this how it will navigate. So again, I'm adding the method the remove cart and what to say. So clear cart. Okay, so all things has been handled. So the code changed is cart service, login service, and login detail components. In the three code.
Yes, yes, we have done the change. Mainly in the cart service, you are storing the data in the local storage.
Yes, yes. So after this fix, I got one more issue. Like even if I remove the data, it was again reloading, and I fixed it here. Okay, if the quantity is 0, so the remove cart it will load, and finally I'm doing the save. So for every remove thing, it will go on change the local storage.
Okay, okay, got it.
So Ashok here, one thing. Let me show this one. Yeah, this I code. So just I checked in the code. So I want to leave now. So I checked in the code. I got some conflict here. Okay, that's been fixed. I'm running with local code only.
Mhm.
If I go here, I'm facing one issue from my side. Okay, so what is this? I'm not sure actually.
Yeah, the thing is you are pushing the code to the develop branch, right?
Yes.
It is saying that you have done the code in the develop branch, but actually the develop branch is created from the main branch. It is saying you create a pull request and you merge your code with them. It is not an issue. It is just giving the information.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Then this
Not an
should
issue.
be fine, right? Okay. Then my latest code is available there.
Okay, then good job. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. And the backend also has been fixed. Okay.
Yeah,
Backend.
whenever the order is confirmed, the date will be updated, delivery date will be updated.
Yeah. Delivery date 2 days from the.
Order
When
confirmed
is
date to next 2 days, you are giving the delivery date.
yeah.
Okay,
This. Yeah.
good. Fine. Okay, thank you, Kannan.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys. So finally, we are able to complete one e-commerce application. So that earlier we had browser refresh issue. When we add items to the cart, whenever we refresh the browser, the items are getting cleared from the cart. So Kannan is using local storage in the Angular. Whenever you add the item to the cart, that will be stored to the local storage. Even if you refresh, no problem. From the local storage, we are getting the items and we are displaying here. Fine. So we are good with this major project. There are 5 APIs available in the backend, and in the front end, we are having 5 different functionalities: product functionality, cart functionality, and checkout functionality is available, and customer functionality is available, and admin dashboard is also available. there is a notification API. Today Purna has explained what he has done. It's completely backend, though there is nothing in the front end here. It is just going to send notifications to the customers regarding payment reminders, regarding deliveries of their orders, whatever they kept. Okay, good. Do we need to implement anything here, guys? Anything else required?
Sir, how to do API testing and performance wise, sir?
Performance testing, JMeter. I think JMeter tool I have already explained.
And sir, for API testing,
API testing, that is what, sir. If you want to test the basic functionality of the API through Postman, we have to test it. If you want to do the performance testing of the API using JMeter, you can test it.
and another way, any sir?
No, these two.
So the interviewer asked me, for performance testing or API testing, what you doing?
Yeah, you can tell that to test the backend API functionality, I will be using Postman. And once all the functionality is working as expected, to test the performance of the API, we will use JMeter. You can
Yeah,
give.
I explained, sir, but he asking for the more. Anything like cache or something other tools you have used?
No, I have not used any tool.
No, I explained that, but he was expecting the more. He was even expecting from the front end side how you test your back end side, how to make sure your API is working, everything is fine. Who not taking the more time? If your API taking more time, what are you doing? What is your solution?
So there is a tool, I forgot the name, sir. In my previous company, we used one tool for performance testing. It will.
So please explain so we'll clear the concept otherwise, because nowadays the interviewer demanding a lot of things.
But here, one thing we need to understand, whatever the tools that he's expecting, maybe in his company they are using that. It's not mandatory that everybody will know about that. Everybody will use that tool. So in my previous company, I used one tool. It will start with some N or something, guys, which is used for performance testing, which is a paid tool. I forgot the name. Let me recall it and I will give you the name of the tool.
Yes, sir. And sir, your interviewer asked me question is how to handle backend side fault tolerance. Even I explained circuit breaker as well, but he's expecting another more things. If a circuit breaker is or not, then what? How will be the another way?
Retry mechanism will be there.
Yeah, I know retry mechanism is in Apache Kafka, right, sir? There's retry mechanism.
Yes.
I explained those also, but he's told me the more. Tell me more. I want to listen to more things.
Okay, what more he is expecting?
I don't know what they are expecting, sir.
Okay, so anyhow, we will go with the interview preparation, then I will give the answer. I will share my interview experience, questions, how they will ask and all that stuff.
Ashok sir, I think you explained JMeter, but we didn't perform the practical for it.
Yeah, you can use one API when we can test that. Fine, guys. So with this, our major project is done. Now, one thing that we need to implement.
Security not implemented still.
One thing we need to implement here, guys. So notifications API, Purna has implemented this notification API. In this notification API, he implemented a loop logic and he is getting all the deliveries. For example, today, assume that there are 1 lakh deliveries available. Assume that today there are 1 lakh deliveries available. So what he is doing, he is getting service dot get today deliveries. Service dot get today deliveries. He is getting list of orders which are available for today. A list is available. Then in this list, what he is doing, he is taking a for loop and is taking each order, and is iterating that list. And from this each order, he's getting get customer email. Okay, get the customer email. He's getting the email ID of the customer. Then he's getting order dot get customer dot get phone number. He's getting customer phone number also. That is long value. Some phone number is available. Now what he is doing here, send WhatsApp message to customer. send WhatsApp message to customer, prepare PDF invoice, okay, send PDF as an email attachment. Send PDF as an email attachment. So this is the logic that he has implemented to send the notification to the customer. So can you see functionality is working? He has given the demo also. He is able to send the WhatsApp message to the customer mobile number, and PDF also generated. Invoice PDF is generated with the proper structure, and the PDF also going as a attachment in the email. Okay, functionality is working. What is output we are expecting, that is coming. But so with this logic, can you see, is there any problem? Can you see, is there any problem with this logic, guys? Can you see, is there any problem with this logic? Come on.
So if any exception in one line, then next of the for customers, this job will fail.
Okay, if any exception occurred for one customer, then the complete loop will be terminated. The next customer records will not be processed. Okay, that is one problem. Let me note down. If exception occurred, then remaining orders, remaining customers will not receive notifications. Okay, that is one problem. Now we are getting what are the deliveries available today. See, select star from order table where the delivery date is equal to today. We are getting list of orders. Then we are so this list can be 1,000, this list can be 50,000, this list can be 1 lakh also, because so it depends on when there is a big billion day, so many customer will place the order. Today assume that there are 1 lakh deliveries available. Today Amazon is delivering 1 lakh orders. 1 lakh orders delivery today. 1 lakh orders delivery today. So service.get today deliveries. So we are getting the list of deliveries. Then that orders list we are iterating. And for each order, customer email ID is available, customer phone number is available. With this customer email ID, send a WhatsApp message by using WhatsApp Business API. So there is a network call. By using REST template or by using web client, we need to send the request to the WhatsApp API. That WhatsApp API will send the message to the customer mobile number. WhatsApp message to the customer mobile number regarding order delivery. Then we need to prepare a PDF invoice. So what is the order customer has placed? Today it is getting delivered. What is the price? What items he ordered? What is the amount he paid? What is the tax he paid? That invoice we are going to prepare. Then whatever the invoice is available, we need to send that PDF as an email attachment. And one more thing here, Purna, one more functionality that we need to implement. Whatever the PDF we are sending as an attachment to the customer, do we have that PDF copy with us?
Yes.
So we are storing that PDF in our local system.
Yes.
Okay. But is it recommended to store that PDF in our local system, or it is not recommended to store the PDF in the local system?
Not recommended.
It is not recommended to store the PDF in the local system because our system will have some storage limit. Tomorrow if our system is crashed, then what will happen? We are going to lose all the PDFs, right?
Yes.
We are going to lose all the PDFs. After 1 month, customer will say that I have not received my order. Where is my PDF? Where is my invoice? Then how you will send the invoice to the customer again? Today, you send the invoice to the customer to the email as an attachment. Okay, fine. Customer lost that email. In our system also that PDF is deleted. Then after 1 week, customer came back saying that my order is not delivered. Then customer is asking the invoice again. So do we have the copy of the invoice with us? We don't have the copy of the invoice with us. Do we have that invoice copy or we don't have the invoice copy?
We don't have.
We don't have the copy of the invoice. So what we need to do is, once the PDF is prepared, we need to store PDF in AWS
S3
S3 bucket. What is the concept here, guys? What is the concept here?
Yeah, S3 bucket in it store.
We discussed about AWS S3 buckets in our classes in the starting. What is S3 bucket?
Store the data, binary data.
S3 bucket we discussed in the starting. S3 is used for storing unlimited data, file storage, objects storage, any files, any binary data, PDF files, Word files, text files, image files, video files, audio files, any files that you want to store in the application, any files that your application is dealing, that data you need to store in the S3 bucket. Okay, so we need to store the PDF in the AWS S3 bucket, and we need to send that PDF as an email attachment. Send the PDF as an email attachment and update PDF, update PDF file URL, update PDF file URL in our database. Okay, PDF will be created. That PDF will be stored into S3 bucket. Whatever the PDF that is stored in the S3 bucket, that PDF will have one URL in the S3 bucket. That S3 bucket object URL we need to store in the database. So tomorrow, when some customer asks for the invoice, that PDF is there in the S3 bucket, that URL will be available in our database. Then from the S3 bucket, we can download that PDF invoice. For now, we need to add one more functionality in the order delivery notifications. So this point we have not implemented yesterday. So yesterday I have not given this requirement. Today it is a new requirement. Whatever the invoice is generated, currently that invoice is storing in our local system. We need to store that invoice PDF in the AWS S3 bucket. Then you will get the URL. That URL you need to update in the database also. How to implement that S3 bucket integration in the Spring Boot application? Already I have done one POC on that. That requirement is there in our Git repository. Spring Boot S3 application. How we can communicate with the AWS S3 bucket in order to upload the file. In the pom.xml, we need to add one dependency, that is AWS SDK dependency we need to add. So what we need to do is, our Spring Boot application is generating the PDF file by using iText API. Okay, then what I need to do? We need to create one bucket in the S3. So this is our Spring Boot application. This is our notification API, Spring Boot API. This is notifications API. It is communicating with the S3, it should communicate with the S3 bucket, and it should communicate with the database also. Why it is going to communicate with the S3 bucket? To upload the PDF. When the PDF is uploaded, it will give the PDF URL for us. Then the PDF URL we need to update in the database table. This is the URL of the PDF which is available in the S3 bucket. So here, when we are processing the deliveries, service.get today deliveries, we got the list of orders. Each order we are processing, we are getting the email ID of the customer who placed the order. We are getting the mobile number of the customer. Then we are sending WhatsApp message to the customer regarding the delivery. We are preparing the PDF invoice for the customer order. Okay, prepare order invoice. Prepare order invoice. This is in the PDF format. So we are currently sending the PDF as an attachment directly. That is fine. After 1 week, if a customer lost the order invoice, customer asked for the invoice once again, but we don't have the copy of the invoice. So that's why we need to store those invoices in the S3 bucket. S3 is a permanent storage, object-based storage. Files we can store in the S3 bucket. Send PDF as an email attachment to the customer. We already stored the PDF in the S3 before sending to the customer. So tomorrow when we want the invoice, we can download from the S3 bucket. Update the PDF file URL in our database. Update PDF file URL in our database. So fine. So this is one logic that we need to implement. Purna, can you take care of this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for reference, I have given the Git repository. You go to my GitHub repository. You just search for repositories. Here you type S3. The code is already available. The only thing is you need to configure your IAM account access key and secret key here. Okay. go to the SRC. In the resources, you need to configure your properties. So if you want to communicate with the AWS cloud programmatically, you need to specify your IAM user access key, secret key, and what is the bucket you want to create, in which region your bucket is available. You need to configure the properties file, then you can take the code. So what is the configuration? S3 configuration is available here, which is used to communicate with the S3 bucket, and a demo controller. Here I am writing S3 util.save file. This is the logic which is used to save the file. In the util, S3 util.java. Here we are writing the logic to upload the object into S3 bucket. Programmatically, we can upload the object into AWS S3 bucket. With this method, it is going to return the object URL. Whatever the URL you are getting, that URL you need to store into database table. Guys, are you clear with the requirement? Are you clear with the requirement? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is one thing. So Purna will complete this requirement. He will implement extra functionality to store that PDF invoice into S3 bucket. That object URL will be updated in our database table. That's fine. Okay. So one problem that we have seen, if the exception occurred, then remaining customers will not receive notifications. That is one problem, one of the biggest problem we are processing here. Suppose when I'm storing when I'm generating the PDF, if I got some null pointer exception, then my loop will be terminated. For the remaining customers, notifications will not be sent. That is one problem. Okay. And can you tell me what is the second problem now?
Response time will more.
What is the second problem?
It
Sir,
will take more time. We need to do multi-threading concept.
Second problem is performance issue. Second problem is performance issue. Now assume that we are sending WhatsApp message to the customer. We are sending WhatsApp message to the customer. We are preparing a PDF file. We are storing the PDF in the S3 bucket. We are sending PDF as an attachment, and we are updating the PDF URL in our database. So average, how much time it will take to complete this process for one order? For one order, how much time it will take? Because sending WhatsApp message through WATI API. So this is network call. Can I say this is a network call? WhatsApp is third-party API. Our application is running in one system. So from here, we need to send the message. So it is a network call. Send WhatsApp message. Prepare PDF, store PDF in S3 bucket. Can I say this is another network call? Can I say this is another network call? Yes, that means through internet, one application is going to communicate with another application. Here, our application running in one system, it should communicate with the S3 bucket. It is another network call. Send PDF as an email attachment. This is another network call. Email server we need to connect. Gmail server, SMTP we need to connect, and we need to send the email. And we need to update the URL in the database. This is another network call. Always network calls are costly with respect to execution. So we need to send WhatsApp message to the customer. One network call will happen. We need to store the PDF in the S3 bucket. Another network call will happen. And we need to send the PDF as an attachment. Another network call will happen. Another network call will happen. Another network call will happen. And we need to update the PDF URL in our database. Another network call will happen. So this logic will execute for every order. Now let's talk about one order execution. For one order, sending WhatsApp message, preparing the PDF, storing in the S3 bucket, sending the PDF as attachment, update the PDF in our database. So in order to execute these logics for one order, can we assume 1 second of time? Guys, can we assume it will take 1 second of time to process this logic for one order? Come on, guys. Come on. Can we consider it is going to take 1 second of time to process one order? I'm not getting response.
No, sir.
1 second is sufficient, or 1 second not sufficient to execute all this logic?
Not sufficient.
Okay, let's assume it is taking 2 seconds of time. Okay, it is taking 2 seconds of time to process one notification for the customer. One customer notification to process API message, WhatsApp message, PDF generation, S3 bucket update, storing the PDF in the S3, sending the PDF as an attachment, update the PDF file URL in our database. Okay, then assume that it is taking 2 seconds of time. It is taking 2 seconds of time to send notification for one order. One order. Notification for one customer. 2 seconds of time to send a notification for one customer. This complete logic execution taking 2 seconds of time. For 2 seconds of time, if the logic is executed, then one customer will receive a notification. Okay, then if you do like this, in 1 minute, how many notifications it can send, guys? In 1 minute. If I run my
30.
for 1 minute,
30.
if I run my loop for 1 minute, how many notifications our system can send? 60 seconds. For 2
30.
seconds, one notification, we can send for 30 orders. Now, 1 minute, 30 orders. If I run my loop for 1 hour, then how many notifications it can send for 1 hour? 60 minutes for 1 hour. Per minute, we are sending 30 notifications. Okay.
300.
1800.
By 30.
1300. 300.
300. 60
1800, sir.
300.
1800, sir.
1800 orders notification. 1800 orders notification we can send. Apply your mathematics, guys. So Purna has implemented one logic. In that logic, there is a for loop. In that for loop, he is reading all the deliveries available for today, all the orders which are having the delivery today. He implemented the logic like this. In this one logic is pending today. I hope he will complete it. Whatever the PDF is generated, that PDF he should store into S3 bucket. Then he should send that PDF in the email attachment. Then we need to update the PDF in our database. Okay. So one problem, if an exception occurred, the remaining customer notifications will not be sent. That is one problem. Then the second problem, performance issue. What is the performance issue? In order to execute all this logic, it is taking average 2 seconds of time. Assume that. It may take more also, but considering I am taking 2 seconds of time. To send the notification for one order, it is taking 2 seconds of time. So if it is taking 2 seconds for one order, in 1 minute we can send only 30 orders notifications. In 1 hour we can send only 1800 orders notification. Then in one day, how many notifications we can send, guys? 24 hours multiplied by 1800. So what is the value? 24 multiplied by 24 hours if you run the program. 24 hours if you run the program, then it can send how many notifications? 24 multiplied by 1800. How many notifications we can send, guys?
43200.
20. 24 multiplied by 1800. 1 minute, 30 notifications. 1 hour, 1800 notifications. 1 day, 43,000 notifications only we can send. Suppose today we have 1 lakh deliveries. So when we have 1 lakh deliveries, if you run your program 24 hours, how many notifications it is sending? If you run your
Only
program 24 hours, how many notifications it is sending?
43,200 only.
43,200 only. Then what about the remaining 60,000 customers? When they will get the notification? Tomorrow. But actually when the product is out for delivery? Today.
Today.
So today you send the product out for delivery. Notification you are sending tomorrow morning. Today your product is coming. Already customer received product yesterday itself. But your notification is going tomorrow. Client will accept it or client will not accept it. Guys, you understand the problem? You understand the problem?
Yes, sir.
You understand the problem in the implementation now. I'm repeating once again, observe. we implemented one notification service which is used to send the notifications to the customer. So customer notification sending contains this much logic. So in this logic, to execute this logic, it is taking average 2 seconds of time. So if it is taking 2 seconds of time average, in 1 minute we can send only 30 notifications. In 1 hour we can send 1800 notifications. In 1 day we can send 43,000 notifications only. If your method is running non-stop for 24 hours, then only it will send 43,000 notifications. Suppose today there are 1 lakh deliveries available. Today morning, Amazon delivery boys started the deliveries for 1 lakh orders. So before order is going for delivery, we need to give a notification to the customer, boss, your order is coming today at your doorstep. Get ready to pick up your order. We need to send that message to the customer. According to our system, for all the 1 lakh customers, notification will go today or notification will not go today. For all the 1 lakh customers, notifications will go today or notifications will not go today. People are not responding.
Will not go.
Will not go today, sir.
Will not go today, but product is out for delivery. When the notification will go? Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Suppose today, yesterday Big Billion Day is happened. Today we are having 5 lakh orders delivery. 5 lakh orders delivery throughout India. Today 5 lakh orders available in the Amazon to deliver. Then our program, how many notifications will send? 43. Today, all the 5 lakh orders are going to deliver. When these 5 lakh order notifications will go, how many days required to send the notification to 5 lakh orders? Per day, you are sending for only 43,000. Then, when the 5 lakh notifications will complete? When the 5 lakh notifications will complete, guys? Come on.
It will take the 8 to 10 days.
It will take 8 to, that means your product is delivered today. After 8 days, you will get a message. Your product is coming for delivery. Is it accepted? Is it accepted or it is not accepted?
No, sir.
No.
This is one of the challenge that every developer will face with respect to performance. Then how to, so first problem, if one exception occurred, the remaining orders will not be delivered. The second problem, performance issue is available. So if you execute the loop like this, per day we can process only 43,000 notifications. If you have more than 43, those customers will not get the notifications. Then how to solve this problem? How to solve this problem? How to improve performance of our notifications API? How to improve performance of our notifications API? Any clue? Anybody? So there are some working people here. Anybody got this kind of challenge? Anybody faced this kind of problem? I have
Yes,
faced
sir.
this
You need to
problem in the
use
Deloitte.
executor. Executor API will be good.
Yeah. So in my previous company, when I was working in the Deloitte, so we also have the same kind of requirement. We need to send the notifications to the customer regarding the health insurance. So if we implement this logic, our performance is very bad. So we got the negative feedback from the customer. Then we improve the performance. So once we improve the performance, within 1 hour, we can process 1 lakh records also. So we need to improve the performance of our API. How to improve the performance of the API? So today I'm giving that as a task for you, R&D for you. I want you people to analyze and to tell me what is the possible solutions available to improve the performance of our API. How much performance I want? Per 1 hour, I should be able to send 2 lakh notifications in 1 hour. That is what I'm expecting. Within 1 hour, we should be able to process 2 lakh notifications. With the current logic, in 1 hour, we can process only 1800. But I want the solution within 1 hour, I should be able to process at least 1 lakh notifications in 1 hour. Within 1 hour, we should be able to send 1 lakh notifications. I want that level implementation. Performance improvement. Can you guys think about that and can you come up with the solutions for that? Is it real-time scenario or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you implement the whatever the Purna has implemented, technically that is correct. Logic is correct. Implementation is correct. Message is going, PDF is generated, PDF is also going to the email. One extra thing for our safety, we need to maintain the PDF in the S3 bucket. Purna will complete this logic today. Then implementation is correct. Output is coming as expected. But in the real-time production, this logic is not going to work out. Why? Because if any exception occur, the remaining customers will not receive the notifications. And with this logic, we can send only 43,000 notifications in one day. But in the real time, we may get 1 lakh orders also per day. So within 1 hour, we should be able to send the notifications for all the 1 lakh orders. So how to make our application more scalable, more robust, and how to improve performance of our API so that within 1 hour we can process 1 lakh orders also. Within 1 hour we can process 1 lakh orders also. I want that implementation. I have already faced this problem in the Deloitte company because I have implemented one bad job in the Deloitte. There also same requirement. We need to send the notifications to the customers regarding their health insurance expiry date. When the customer health insurance is getting expired, we need to generate a PDF and we need to send the PDF to the customer email in the attachment. And we need to store the PDF in the S3 bucket. We need to send the message to the customers in the WhatsApp. Okay, so that logic was there. But we got the performance problem. So we have done the analysis for 2-3 days and we came up with the solution and we implemented that logic. So with that logic, in 1 hour, 1 lakh notifications we can send. So I want to implement the same logic here also. Within 1 hour, currently our logic is processing 1800 orders per hour. I want 1 lakh orders to process per hour. Lot of difference in the performance. Guys, are you able to understand what is the problem we have and what solution I am expecting from you? What is the problem we are having and what is the solution I am expecting from you?
Sir, thread group is suggested or executor is suggested?
Anything, sir. You analyze and you come up with your solution. Tomorrow I will tell my solution.
Okay.
You do the research on that. You come up with the solution. You do R&D. Today I'm not asking you to implement that. You just do the R&D and tell me what is the approach you can follow. Tomorrow I will tell you what approach I implemented in my company previously.
Sir, performance-wise, it is applicable only one function or the whole functionality will be?
Complete order. This completes functionalities. We need to improve the performance.
Yes. Okay. So can we go for the asynchronous side, sir, like Kafka?
Kafka will not help you here.
And caching otherwise?
No. So what is the use of cache?
Cache is basically not hitting a database, so it will store data in.
Here, am I hitting any database?
No. Right.
Yeah, sure. We can use the executor framework, right? We can, I think parallelly process.
Multiple solutions are there. You can go with them and let me know in the tomorrow's class. Today, you think of that. So today task is Purna will implement how to upload the file into S3 bucket, and tomorrow we will see how to solve these two problems in the notifications API. How to solve these two problems in the notifications API. Okay, good guys, fine. With this, I'm stopping for today. I'm expecting some solutions from you for these two problems in the tomorrow's class. So then I will explain what solution I have followed in my previous project. Good. So guys, what is your opinion? Almost we are done with the major project. So how you guys are feeling about this? Any use of this? There is no use of this. What is your feedback about the project? So on this complete project, I involved only 10%. The remaining 90% done by our students only. I have done only one API and one functionality in the front end and back end. Remaining everything done by the students only. So what is your opinion, guys? Is this the right way to do the project, or faculty should explain everything? I want to hear from you guys, so do I need to continue the same way, the project implementation, or not, for the next upcoming batches? So I want the feedback from you people. How you feel about this contribution and project implementation?
So
Sir,
collaborative way will be the best one.
Collaborative one is the best one. Very good.
Sir, the thing is good. Content is everything is good, sir. But just in the execution part, I feel you give little time for us to develop, sir. Like because they're executing parallelly. Sometimes we should also do the requirement in our systems also, no, sir. So time is little like there is a delay. Like once I am completing one new requirement is coming on and it is stacking up for me. So if I delay in my payment integration, uh, in the next improvement, the next is admin functionality also came. So just give little delay so that we will also follow up like that.
Sure, sir, sure. I will do one thing. Tomorrow we will discuss about the solution for this implementation. Then Sunday you can spend the time and you will work on that. And Monday, what we can do is we will convert into microservice part. Okay, whatever the independent services are running now, there is no service registry admin server not available. We can try to add them. So that time we will get the time. That just configuration changes we need to do. Nothing related to coding part. Okay. Then next week.
UI code need to take now or Canon need to commit?
Sorry, sir.
UI code need to pull now or
Yeah,
Canon
you
need
can
to
pull now,
commit?
sir. I made it as a public pull now. So I
Some
don't want
changes.
everyone to download that. So only our batch people should download it. So clone the repository, then I will again make it as a private.
Some changes Canon need to commit.
I think he already committed. Kannan, I think already the latest code is up to date, right?
Yes, Ashok.
Yeah.
Orders API and the front end done.
So you guys can pull that repository. And Purna, please implement that S3 upload also, then give your Git repository link.
Yes.
Okay.
In the night I will give.
Yeah, fine, sure. So before coming to tomorrow morning, you just keep that ready.
Yes.
The remaining people, please analyze how to solve these two problems in the notifications API. One is exception handling, and the second one is performance issue. Good. Thank you, guys. With this, I'm stopping for today. And guys, did you attend that Docker class yesterday?
Yes, Ashok.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, please attend the Docker class. Today also we have the Docker today, and tomorrow also you can attend, so that you will get the clarity what is Docker and how to work with the Docker.
So are you uploading videos, right?
Yes, sir. I will upload the video also.
Okay,
It's only for demonstration, Ashok, for us.
No, sir. For us, whatever is required for the developer, that we are going to learn in the Docker. Yesterday we understood what is Docker. Today we will understand how to set up the Docker and how to execute the Docker images. Tomorrow we will understand how to work with the Docker file. That is sufficient. 3 classes are sufficient for us as a developer. You got my point? I will upload those videos also in the YouTube and I will share. So if you have free time, then please attend the live class at 6 p.m. IST. The Zoom link already shared in our group.
Sir,
Thank
shall
you.
I implement executor?
Sorry?
Shall I implement executor concept here?
Yeah, if you have time, you can do that. First complete that S3 bucket approach. Then if you have time, you can implement that executor also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, guys.